Well, hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Nancy here. Today I'm going to show you a new release, the Ice Cream Collection. These are nail decals, water slide, meaning you have to put them in water to get them to come off of the paper. And you can call them decals, nail wraps, whatever you want to call them. That's what these are, and this is a new collection. There's 7 different designs, and today I'm going to show you a demo on how to put one of these decals on, and then at the end of the demo I will show you all of the nails with the decals placed on them. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, let's start our first nail, and we're going to cover it with the nail foil glue. So just that on there. Make sure that you cover that whole nail, even the sides, because you want that decal to adhere to the sides so there's no lifting. And then once you get all that on there, I want you to wipe off any excess glue. Wipe it off and then cap your edge. And we're going to cure this for 60 seconds. Okay, when it gets down to about the last 20 seconds of cure time, I want you to go ahead and put your decal in the water. Now watch, and you'll see this decal start to open up. It's going to start blooming, and that's when you know your decal is done. Watch it. See it starting to open? Okay, so your decal's done. And so I want you to take it out of the water, blot it. Okay, move that out, move the water out of the way. Our little wipes out of the way. And now I want you to hold on to your stand. Okay, get your nails straight and just place that on there and pull that backing off. And then you've got a few seconds. And I like to push it down on the sides. That way you know it's tight onto the nail. Take it off your stand and just use your hand, your thumb. Okay, flatten that bottom out, the tip, flatten it out, because we're using gel tips and they are so great. They are nice and soft and they move really nice with the nail. Okay, now we're going to go to the next step, which is going to be filing. So we want to file this straight down with the nail laying on its side. Always down, never up. You'll rip your decal right off your nail. All right, and when it comes to the back, just lightly, because the back of that nail is so thin, you don't want to tear into it. And then at the front, what I like to do is I like to flatten it out the front of the tip, and then just file that part. See, and it just comes off. Just like that. All right, now we're going to check. And if there's any wrinkles, use your thumb. Use that friction from moving your thumb back and forth causes heat, and with the glue and the decal it helps get out any wrinkles. Okay, there you go. Let's put it back on the nail stand and look. Okay, let's go. Next step. Be right back. Okay, we've got our nail. Now we need the next step, which is going to be base coat. So we're just gonna coat that, make sure we've got every bit of it coated, every bit of that nail, the sides, the front, the back. I mean, you can feel when it's not, something's not covered. It has drag, so you can feel it. And then once you get it covered, I want you to wipe off any excess. Okay, just wipe that off. Make sure your brush is clean of anything, and then cap your edge. And we're going to put this and cure it for 30 seconds. Okay, nails cured. On to the last step, which is our top coat. The reason we put a base coat on is because we use a top coat, and the top coat will not adhere properly without using the base coat. It won't cure right, so you've got to make sure that you do both steps. There's no cutting corners. Wipe off any excess. Cap your edge there, and we're going to cure this for 60 seconds. Look at, they're done. How cute are those? We've got all 7 designs. And if you want to find these, they are in my Etsy shop. And if you want to see any further videos on any new collections that I bring out, just subscribe and ring the bell, and that way whenever I post anything, you'll be the first to know. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you all next time. Bye-bye.